Hello, this is D, and this is sort of a weather forecast or information about the upcoming 3 days, today, Thursday, and Friday. Today is Wednesday, the 20th, March 2019, and it's the equinox coming up in this time zone near in Bohemia, which is London minus 1 hour. It's before 11 approximately, because of course even within each time zone the times differ. Time zones are human-made, and the start time is different from village to village. So, but sometime before 11 p.m. in this time zone, there's gonna be the equinox, which apparently is gonna be very powerful. That's information that I got directly, but also the last few weeks were very cleansing, very transformatory. For some people, pretty difficult. The weather was very windy, and also the weather was windstormy within some people. So this transformation, this cleansing also shows that this equinox and the coming days are gonna be very powerful. A powerful and big portal, also a chance to move to another timeline, if you like. The chance is here always, but this should be easier. It should be easier these days. This is sort of underlined by the full moon coming less than 4 hours after the equinox, before 2:45 in the morning on Thursday, and again the time is approximate, just like with the equinox. And if you're in another time zone, of course, do your own research, find out what time it is if you're interested. The March full moon is sometimes called the worm, or is it just for this year? The worm, the full worm moon, so that somehow evokes, at least for me, the idea of a wormhole, another portal idea. And the third event is that on Friday, at least in this time zone, there's going to be an influx of a lot of powerful, positive, peaceful, beautiful energies. So, and I got also a few minutes ago, I got sort of a confirmation. I got this information directly from within, so to speak, but from the angels, from the source. But I got also the information that at least another seer or clairvoyant got the same info. So Friday should be excellent, an excellent opportunity. So be aware of this if you're interested. Be prepared. You have my very best wishes for these days and for your whole embodiment, your whole existence. Use it well, and above all have fun, have a good time, and be beneficial to yourself. Love yourself, and thus also love the whole of creation. Thank you for listening.